Right, good morning, happy campers. Let's go and have a nose at what's going on today in the scalping world. So, first things first, let's just have a jump over to our Discord channel and just have a look at the news. There we go, daily news. What's the news happening this morning? So, 7 a.m. we've got red folder. 8:30 we've got chef red folder. Same thing. 9 o'clock, there's loads of chef red folder today. 12 o'clock, we got GBP red shoulder, red folder. So lots of red folder and top pairs to look out for volatility today. GBP, Chef, GBP and Chef then. Let's go and have a nose at the charts. Let me just get let's just move something around the screen. There we go. All right, let's start at the top, shall we? So let's have a look. Odd CAD, what's that doing? Not an awful lot at the moment. Let me just move all my black bars of doom out of the way. There we go. Right, so alarm-wise, I'm just going to box this off. Simple as everything is in alignment at the bottom. However, it's not moving anywhere. When you stick boxes around to here, there's no science to this, guys. It literally is just for me to whack an alert on there. So I want price exiting that rectangle. I'm going to go for once by bar close on that one. Let's go CAD JPY. What's this doing? Same sort of thing, really, isn't it? Everything's a bit anchored up at the minute. So, what's this done? It's had a breach and a cross, and then it's gone into consolidation. And let me just see where this is on the old perspective of the. Just want to see what this is, if it's coming down or going up. It's got quite, where is it in a minute? It's got quite a bit to come down for, actually. So, what I'm going to do with this, move my screen about a bit slow for you guys this morning. I am going to whack, let's use a trend line actually. I'm just going to whack a trend line on there for a minute. I just want to see if price moves. I'm going to need a pull back through the Bollinger Band, but I just want to be alerted to when price starts moving on this one. What we had, breach, pull. They're all a bit stagnant this morning. I am on the charts a bit earlier though, and we've got, well, actually, the news just kicked in literally as we're talking. So, what have we had on this? I'm going to let the news settle. We've got a lot of news this morning. So, literally, I'm just going to trend line this one as well, guys. I just want to watch the price on this morning. Just see what these are doing. This one is going up. There's a target up here. It's had a breach, it's had a cross. It has just cleared all this, but it looks like it's going to tuck back in. So I'm just going to set a retest alert on this one for slow EMA. Only thing that bothers me is because we've got so much red folder news, what that can mean is you see all this consolidation, and we've got a lot of, like, what say, open price actions, a lot of big fair value gaps underneath. It could, nothing's a given, but it could mean it's going to pull back, clean all this before it goes. It would be nice, to be honest, to see it have a deeper pullback. So this one as well is coming back into that 21 quite hard now. So this is doing the same. Look, yeah, I'm a bit dubious about touching any of these, to be honest, until they really start moving. So again, I think I'm going to box this one. Let's just stick a box around there, box around the bottom. Stick an alert on that box. keep pressing price. Do that. How's CAD Chef doing? CAD Chef. USD Chef. I thought that'd start going off straight away. This one looks like it's going to start coming down again. I'm not really wanting to touch these just because of the news at the minute. Let's give it a target. See if it's had a breach. Look, it is in its cross at the moment. Let's see if it drops and has a retest. That one. Yeah, USD Chef is starting to come down, but that's all bullish, so we want to be leave that be a minute. What's this one doing? Chefy JPY. I've got a random position calculator. I move them around the screen when I'm just testing trades. Where's this going? What are you doing? Don't think it knows itself. A bit like me this morning. Where are you? Like I say, this pair we looked at yesterday, didn't we? We did say this was it's been bullish for quite a while, but it's sort of going a bit wonky sideways now. Seems to be trading within a range. So it's a possibility of coming back up again now. Lots of and an R in today, isn't there, guys? So this one currently, same thing. Everything is just in a box at the minute. So I'm just gonna not gonna touch any of these until they start showing something. So exit rectangle, USD JPY, same thing. Like just whack it in a box. And then let's just out of curiosity go and have a look at a couple of random pairs. What's gold doing? No, it's out of whack. Oh, it's just come back into whack. So that's going bearish. It's had its cross. I don't take pullbacks on gold. I only ever trade it on the crossover, so I would have missed that. So if I was trading that, I would want price to hit the upper Bollinger Band again. That's been quite a nice little probably down here somewhere. Odd chef. Oh, starting to move on a nice pullback. So everything's obviously having a good dip at the minute. So this one, for me now, because it's done all this, I want it to breach the Bollinger Band if I was going to trade that. So I would put an alarm on a lower band hit. I'm not going to alarm all these up because they're not my trading pairs. And this one says bullish. It's had a really deep pullback. So you're wanting this to come back into alignment. So if you've got the inner edge indicator, you can just put MTF aligned bull on that. We've already done a JPY. This is coming down. Breach, cross, pullback. My trade's gone. So this one, I'd want a breach of the Bollinger Band again. Anyone else who trades it, you know, red EMAs are always good with these. Make sure you got targets. AU. Same thing, actually. This is at a breach. Its crosses here. So if that comes back to the second EMA, I'm all good with that. Let's have a look at, let's have a look at crazy Euro JPY, GBP, sorry. That's why I don't trade it. Look at the state of it. Looks like it's going to go bullish again, doesn't it, really? Bullish just means up, by the way, guys. Just have a look at it, because it looks like some child's been on the chart. Look at the spikes. Dear God. Not the happiest. Not the happiest trading pair, that one, for me, personally. If you are trading it, be very careful. I don't like any of these wicks for scalping. But it's just that it's breach. Look, looks like it's going to be coming back into alignment. You'd want to cross at the EMAs on the way up. You've got multiple different weird targets if it's coming up here. Scrappy, really scrappy. And let's have a look at the New Zealand pairs as well. They're just looking really, we don't like trading these, but they're really looking quite pleasant at the moment. So this one's pullback, some nice crossover, missed the first entry. So a 21 touch on this would be what I'd be looking for, which is slowing me. There you go. So depending on your trading strategy, obviously it's got some nice targets down here as well. It's quite a nice ploddy looking pair. NZJPY's following it, look, it's already had its breach, cross. So pullbacks, got some good target areas as well on that. NZ Chef, it's all out of whack, so you want an alignment on that one. NZ CAD's going the opposite way. So it's had its initial move here, look, crossed up, it's had a lot of hits. So now you want a nice deep pullback on this. Nice deep pullback. GU, don't trade GU. Again, because of all the news, just whack a box around this to work out where it's going. Pretty much. But yeah, there you go, guys. That's that so far. I'm going to reset an alert on this. So I think I'm actually just going to go for let's be sensible this morning. Have a lower band hit on that one. So there you go. That's all the alarms done. Alarmed up. Away you go for your trading day. Just watch all the news this morning because there's a lot of news about. And I will see you all soon.